I spent $500,000 to learn what a $30 sales book could have taught me. Here's the $76 million sales system I stole from my biggest failures. Most founders don't know this. I burned through 5 salespeople at $100,000 each before realizing the problem wasn't them, it was me. Step 1, stop hiring, start fixing. You don't need more people, you need repeatable frameworks. One client improved win rates 312% in 9 months without hiring anyone. How? Quality beats quantity. Step 2, price for value, not desperation. I helped a client raise prices 20% and keep 95% of customers. That's $2 million in pure profit. Position ROI before discussing cost. Step 3, turn crisis into catalyst. Client on the edge of bankruptcy? We grew their sales 122% to $22 million in 18 months. Panic kills companies. Systems save them. Step 4, measure everything. The Sales Alpha Roadmap shows exactly how much more effective your company could be in dollars. No guessing, just data-driven growth. Here's what $100,000 in courses taught me. Your business reflects your personal discipline. I dropped to 12% body fat while scaling multiple companies. Small daily actions compound into massive results. I spend $50,000 yearly on self-improvement, fired 8 marketing agencies, used 7 AI platforms daily. Why? The leader's growth determines the company's ceiling. I almost went bankrupt again in 2023, lost $1.5 million in deals. But that failure created the system that's now helped 60 companies grow sales up to 500%. The shortcut? There isn't one, but there is a proven path. The same one that took a founder from bankruptcy to $76 million. Systems beat headcount. Discipline beats motivation. Value beats discounts. Every time. Your move. Keep doing what everyone else does. Or build systems that create predictable growth. Because excuses don't close deals. Systems do.